Welcome to Morocco, a land of sweeping deserts, bustling souks, ancient traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. Located at the crossroads of Europe and Africa, Morocco offers a unique fusion of Arab, Berber, and European influences. Join us as we dive into the wonders of this enchanting country, exploring its vibrant cities, diverse landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Morocco is a cultural tapestry woven with threads of tradition, religion, and artistry. At its heart lies a blend of Arab and Berber culture with a touch of French and Spanish influence. The Berbers, the indigenous people of Morocco, have called this land home for thousands of years. Their language, Tamazight, and unique customs are still celebrated in Moroccan society. Arabic, the official language, is heard in every corner of the country, while French is widely spoken, a legacy of Morocco's colonial past. In every city, you'll find the soul of Morocco reflected in its art, from intricate tile mosaics and pottery to handcrafted textiles. The colorful zellige tiles, traditionally used in Moroccan architecture, create stunning patterns that decorate palaces, mosques, and homes alike. Each piece of craftsmanship, passed down through generations, tells a story of Morocco's dedication to beauty and artistry. The cities of Morocco each hold a unique charm, starting with the imperial city of Marrakesh. Known as the Red City due to its reddish-pink buildings, Marrakesh is a sensory experience like no other. Its beating heart, the Jima El Fna Square, is a hub of life, filled with food vendors, musicians, snake charmers, and storytellers. The Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of narrow alleys where souks burst with vibrant colors, smells, and sounds, selling everything from spices and leather goods to jewelry and lanterns. Fez, the ancient capital, is home to one of the world's oldest universities, Al Qarawiyyin. Its Medina, larger than Marrakesh's, is a maze of history and culture, where every twist and turn reveals a new discovery. Then there's Rabat, the serene capital of Morocco, known for its picturesque coastal views and a fusion of historical and modern architecture. In Casablanca, you'll find the stunning Hassan II Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, with a minaret that towers over the Atlantic coast. To the north, the blue city of Chefchaouen captivates visitors with its iconic blue-washed buildings and mountain scenery. It's a town that feels like a dream, with each street and alleyway painted in shades of blue, creating a serene, almost magical atmosphere. Morocco's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. To the east lies the vast Sahara Desert, where golden dunes stretch endlessly across the horizon. Many travelers embark on camel treks to experience a night under the stars in a desert camp surrounded by the vastness of the dunes. The dramatic landscapes are home to small, traditional Berber villages where life remains much as it has for centuries. The Atlas Mountains run through Morocco like a backbone, offering incredible hiking trails and scenic beauty. From the snow-capped peaks of the High Atlas to the verdant valleys of the Middle Atlas, these mountains provide a stunning contrast to the arid deserts below. The Todra Gorge, a canyon carved by the Todra River, is a sight to behold with its towering cliffs and rugged terrain, a paradise for adventure seekers. On the western coast, the Atlantic Ocean meets Morocco's sandy beaches. Coastal cities like Essaouira and Agadir are popular destinations, each with its unique vibe. Essaouira, with its fortified walls and bustling port, has long been a haven for artists and musicians, while Agadir is known for its laid-back atmosphere and beautiful beaches. Moroccan cuisine is a feast for the senses, known for its rich spices, bold flavors, and vibrant colors. Tagine, perhaps the most famous Moroccan dish, is a slow-cooked stew made with meat, vegetables, and a blend of aromatic spices, all cooked in an earthenware pot that gives the dish its name. Couscous, the national dish of Morocco, is often served with vegetables and meat, a comforting and hearty meal. Mint tea, the national drink, is a ritual in itself. Served hot and sweetened, it's more than just a beverage, it's a symbol of hospitality. Everywhere you go, you're likely to be offered a glass of mint tea as a gesture of friendship and warmth. In Morocco's souks and markets, you'll find a colorful array of ingredients and flavors. Spices like saffron, cumin, and cinnamon fill the air, and the stalls are lined with olives, dried fruits, nuts, and fresh produce. Street food is also a must-try, with popular options like semen, a Moroccan flatbread, and harira, a savory soup traditionally eaten during Ramadan. Throughout the year, Morocco celebrates various festivals that showcase its rich cultural heritage. The Fez Festival of World Sacred Music attracts artists from around the globe and is an enchanting experience for music lovers. During the Rose Festival in the Valley of Roses, visitors can witness parades, music, and traditional dance, celebrating the region's annual rose harvest. Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, holds special significance in Morocco as families gather to break their fast with traditional dishes and sweets. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha are celebrated with communal prayers, feasts, and gatherings, reinforcing Morocco's strong sense of community and faith. At the heart of Morocco's charm lies its people, known for their warmth, kindness, and hospitality. Visitors often feel like family as they're welcomed into Moroccan homes with open arms. The concept of marhaba, or welcome, is deeply ingrained in Moroccan culture, and no visit is complete without experiencing it firsthand. Morocco is a land that stays with you long after you leave. Its breathtaking landscapes, bustling markets, ancient cities, and warm people make it a place unlike any other. From the call to prayer echoing across the city rooftops to the serene silence of the Sahara, Morocco offers a journey into a world of wonder, culture, and tradition. So, whether you're wandering through the narrow alleys of its medinas, sipping mint tea, or watching the sun set over the dunes, Morocco is a place that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return.